know me, I'm still just as petty as the old me. Still remember everything they told me. So tell these motherfuckers they could blow me slowly. You know
me. I have nothing to worry about. Absolutely nothing at all to worry about. She's going to have to prove her case in a court of law, and she's going to have to do it by herself. When she wanted to make this a spectacle, we made it a spectacle. But we made it a spectacle about her, not about me. And so as you guys will see, there is national news picking up this case, which, I mean, what do they expect? I'm in the national spotlight. In some respects when it comes to these cases. So, you know, it's not just about them, but it's about the name that they're taking on. And at the end of the day, the people that are out there, like Daily Mail and stuff, they've worked side by side next to me. They know how I function. They know I'm absolutely about following the law to a T. So the people that have been out in the field with me and worked with me, they know darn good and well I follow the law 100% of the time. And I have to do that because it is my livelihood. And these ridiculous allegations are just that, ridiculous. And I can guarantee on the 8th, this will not go through. I've looked at the laws, I've looked at everything, and what she did was underhanded. She lied. She tried to say I was stalking them. I hadn't been in that community in well over a month, and I was only there for 2 days. I drove by their house maybe 4 times to record. That does not rise to the level of stalking by any stretch of the imagination. The intent wasn't them. The intent was the videography. I'm a video journalist, and so that's what my badge says, video journalist. That's what I do. So at the end of the day, they do not have a leg to stand on. It doesn't really matter whether I'm served or not served according to everything I'm reading. I will be consulting with an attorney this afternoon to confirm that information. And once I confirm that information, they can kiss my white-breaded ass. I really don't care. You can go argue with that judge about your Class A misdemeanor that you just committed. I will not be part of the criminal enterprise. I will not be a victim of the criminal enterprise, and neither will my channel. So, you know, this literally blew up in their face. This blew up in all the hate channels' face. This made everybody look like a piece of shit, and that's exactly what they need to look like, because that's exactly what they are. Remember, the good will always prevail over evil, and the truth will always come to light. And this is the truth that's coming to light. Not only that, but look at all the channels that ran with the fact that I was served without doing their due diligence. These high channels that say they research everything. They didn't mind running with a bunk case because they wanted the clicks and views of it, and they wanted the smear campaign of me. But the problem is they've been wrong this whole entire time, and the smear is actually on them. They've lost viewership over this. We have gained viewership over this because of the support and the fact that these parents need to be stopped. Their terror on that community, as well as these streets and the people that are searching for Sebastian, is going to end. It will end with me, and they're going to have a hefty cost to pay for this shenanigans. Again, not planning on filing any type of suit against them just yet. Because I'm already in litigation. That's what the beautiful part about statutes of limitations are. And I will be pursuing this at a later date, but I am absolutely 100% pursuing civil action against not only Chris and Katie, but also the Bowersox. Furthermore, since they've already filed reports about how scary it is at their house, I keep wondering if Nina has gotten wind of these threats at their homes, you know, at Grandma's home as well as their home. And I just don't, you know, I'm not sure how Nina feels about it, you know, with all these crazy YouTubers stalking and attacking the family, if it's really a safe environment for Faith to be in at this moment. And that's something that they put on the record in the courthouse that I hope she capitalizes on to protect her child against us deranged YouTubers, you know. So hopefully she gets wind of everything going on and gets the copies of all these paperworks that they're signing under oath about how dangerous it is at their house and at the Bowersox house. So, you know, I'm not sure if this is really the way it was supposed to or how they imagined it going, but this is where we are. And as you guys can see, I'm still being me. I'm still going to be talking about this boy. I still have 100% support from Seth Rogers, and I still have 100% support from Seth Rogers, and I still have 100% support from Seth Rogers, and I still have 100% support from Seth Rogers in